Hello, my friends. This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for June 13th, 2022. It's currently May 31st, 2022, 6:47 p.m. So the overall theme and behavior for the day is a sharp decline through multiple supports. However, it is nullified, which makes me think that there's a big move higher that kind of cancels that out. On the 1 month overview, we have an opportunity to open up long positions in the midst of a decline. We also have what appears to be a high, a month's high, or a month's important crest. So my sense is that we gap up over the weekend. In the pre-market, we have sideways fluctuation with a bullish trend, but it precedes a decline. Yeah, right around the open, we have selling, profit taking from near overbought territory. Hey, buddy. And there's a big move higher, followed by a full retracement. Three failed attempts to break through key resistance in the first half hour, with a notable decline from the third failed attempt. We do have sideways fluidity along a support level from roughly 10 to 11. And that sideways rotation along support continues until just before midday. Looks like we have a prominent move higher, marking the end of a period of rotation. A fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of rotation between roughly 11 and 12, and that's a cash-in opportunity at the high there. From that high, we break down through a diagonal trend line with increasing volatility on the way down. Looks like we have a trough or a pause in the decline around 1 o'clock. And then we have a failed attempt, a bit of a rally, and a failed attempt to break through key resistance, followed by a decline back down through support. In the midst of that little bit of a rally there, I'm advised to open up some protection because down we go, and we have a big move to the downside in the end of the day, with a low correlating to the end of the day, something to do with a male ruler. Right around the close, out of the decline, there's a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of the decline. So yeah, trade opportunity, a swing trade opportunity, I should say, here midday on the 13th. On the 10th, I will have positioned myself to play both sides of the market, to play volatility. Hopefully I got calls at a low here, and then I look to sell those calls midday here on the 13th. Behavior moving into the high is going to be a fast sudden move higher, marking the end of a period of volatility. So some volatility early in the day, fast sudden move higher, marking the end of that. Behavior out of the low is going to be a diagonal trend, moving higher along a diagonal trend line, breaking through resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then pulling back. But there's going to be quite a bit of a range here, guys. There's a notable move higher here, and then a notable move lower towards the end of the day. That's June 13th, 2022. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. And thanks for watching, my friends. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget, when you make that money, pay it forward.